It's Ashley from Sweet Dreams Bake Shop, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the coldest water bottle out of cake. Yes, cake, and yes, it pours water. Sort of. Stay till the end of the video so you can see how that actually goes over. I started out with my favorite vanilla cake recipe. It is a 10-inch that I'm using, and then I just cut out little circles here to build up my coldest water bottle. And of course, I'm using my blue Italian meringue buttercream today because I really wanted the blue to go with that outer blue color of the coldest water bottle. Now, the coldest water bottle actually comes in several colors. I personally love the pink one, so I just wanted to do the classic one today though. Now, since I want to use this to pour water and I don't want my cake to be soaking wet, I am inserting a shot glass into here and I'm making sure to surround it with cake. I'm also putting these skewers in so that everything stays in place. Then I'm going to finish crumb coating as usual and make sure that you do leave the top open. If for some reason you do want to make a cake that pours water, make sure that you follow this to a T. You could actually utilize this technique for a bunch of different things though. Maybe you'd put sprinkles in there instead, or maybe some melted chocolate, wherever your creativity takes you. Apparently my creativity takes me to a place where I pour water out of cakes. I left that sitting in the fridge before I did this carving part. I just find it's really difficult for me sometimes to carve when it's not cold because things start kind of crumbling all over the place. So I like to do it this way. I know some people like to do it the other way so they don't waste as much buttercream, but I find for something so small like this, I'm going to do it this way so I can get this nice curved edge here. My lovely friend printed this edible sugar sheet for me, but unfortunately I kept putting the project off and my sugar sheet got a little bit brittle and it was just too sticky. So what ended up happening when I tried to remove these letters after painstakingly cutting them all out is they started crumbling on me. But later on in the video, I do try to fix this. Then use a little bit of cornstarch and roll out your black fondant. And normally I lay the fondant on top of my cakes and do it that way, but today I'm going to be wrapping it around instead. I just find I get neat and tidier lines when I do it this way, and I specifically use this whenever I'm doing sculpted cakes. And I know this isn't a super sculpted cake, but it is more sculpted than just a round cake. I'm gonna give my cake a good steam, and I love cleaning my boards this way. I steam it and then I just swipe it all away. I don't know about you guys, I find that very satisfying. And then I'm just going to take a thin strip of black and put it all around the bottom so that the blue portion I'm gonna add later looks a little bit more inlay. Add on that top portion and then steam it all together. There's lots of different style models of the coldest, so I just randomly selected one of them. Now I'm applying those little sugar sheets that I had to painstakingly cut out again after I freehand drew them. So they're not as neat and tidy as they should be, but I had to go with what I had. Yes, I know right now they're just pure white, so I am going to be coloring them later on. But here you can see me trying to draw them and then cut them out. Some of them failed, so I did it again. This is classic cake failure that happens to all of us, but eventually you sort it out and you figure it out. Some parts of the printed sugar sheet did work out, so I just cut out these little portions and put them on. I was actually going to hand paint them white, but I thought that this worked much better. And then I put on that final blue strip, and there you have it, our coldest water bottle cake. Now it's time for the moment of truth. We're gonna fill up that little shot glass with some water, and I'm gonna try my best to pour it here. Now, I do get a little bit of spillage, but I think it did kind of work, right? I never get to cut the cakes in my videos, so this was very, very satisfying. Now, if you're not into the cake version, you can get your real version of the Coldest water bottle. I will leave my referral link down in the description box below. And with Black Friday sales, it is 20% off right now. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be part of the Sweetie fam. Right now, I'm uploading daily, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I upload. Also, be sure to comment, request, or ask a question. I love hearing from you guys. Bye!